Get rid of gray hair for good. All you need is one ingredient and the results will amaze you. There are many different types of hair dyes on the market today which are very useful in coloring your gray hair. Well, the good thing about these hair dyes is that they will color your gray hair, but the bad thing about them is that they are loaded with chemical substances and they can damage your hair. So your best option is to use all natural products. So if you have gray hair and you wish to bring back its natural color, then you should definitely try this homemade remedy. There are many different home remedies for this purpose, but this is the most effective one. Directions. This remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to peel 5 potatoes and get all the peels. You can use the potatoes for some other purpose. Then you need to pour 2 cups of cold water in a saucepan and then add the peels. Bring it to boil, and when it starts to boil you need to lower the heat and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you need to remove the saucepan from heat and leave it until it's cooled. When the mixture is cooled you need to strain it and put it in another bowl. Add some rosemary or lavender oil for scent and you can transfer the mixture into a glass jar and close it with a lid. How to use it? First you need to shampoo your hair and then rinse your hair with this mixture. So first you need to shampoo your hair as usual. Then rinse the shampoo with water and then you need to massage your hair with the potato peel water and don't rinse it off. You can dry and style your hair as you always do. Use this recipe every day and you will get rid of gray hair for good. You will be amazed by the results. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share with your friends and family.
Coconut oil and lemon mixture, it turns gray hair back to its natural color. Well, can I ask you a simple question? Do you know what's the main reason for gray hair? Let me explain this for you. There are pigment cells located at the base of each hair follicle. And these pigment cells are responsible for the color of your hair, and as you grow older these pigment cells die and become less efficient. Well, this effective remedy can prevent gray hair by nourishing your scalp and protecting the base of your hair follicles. So if your base and pigment cells are healthier, this means that you'll be able to avoid gray hair much longer. Gray hair, most common causes. Gray hair, this problem can be caused by factors like a hormonal imbalance, hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism, malnutrition, nutritional deficiency, using electric dryers and concentrated hair dyes, as well as genetic disorders, chemotherapy and radiation. We all know that there are many different types of hair dyes on the market today, which are very useful in coloring your gray hair. Well, the good thing about these hair dyes is that they will color your gray hair, but the bad thing about them is that they are loaded with chemical substances and they can damage your hair. So your best option is to use all natural products. The best natural remedy for gray hair. Well, this means one thing: if you have gray hair and you wish to bring back its natural color, then you should definitely try this homemade remedy. There are many different home remedies for this purpose, but this is the most effective one. As we mentioned before, the harsh chemicals found in commercial hair care products can leave your hair flat, dry, and damaged. You should definitely try this natural home remedy. And the best thing about this remedy is that you need 2 simple ingredients: coconut oil and lemon juice. Yes, that's it. Just take a look at the video and find out more about this amazing remedy. About the ingredients. Coconut oil. Well, there is no doubt that the super healthy ingredient is extremely useful and beneficial for your skin and your hair. It's extremely useful when it's used both topically, and there are many benefits you get from eating coconut oil as well. Coconut oil has powerful antimicrobial properties and it's loaded with lauric acid and medium-chain fatty acids that will strengthen your hair and reverse its natural color. And when it comes to lemon juice, the doctors recommend it, because it contains good amounts of vitamin B, C, and phosphorus, which nourishes the hair and treats the cause of gray hair. As we said, this homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: coconut oil, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Directions. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple. You just have to mix 3 teaspoons of lemon juice with some coconut oil. Then you should apply this mixture on your hair and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least an hour. Wash it out and then shampoo your hair with a mild shampoo. You should repeat this process every week. You should also know that if you use coconut oil every week it will help you get rid of dandruff forever. And if you mix coconut oil with lukewarm water and castor oil, you can also use to treat and prevent dandruff. Massage the scalp and hair with this mixture and trust me, you will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have